Namaskar to all. I am Dr. Someshwar Piraji Bade, Assistant Professor, Srimati Jiji Khadse College, Muktinagar. In the last lecture, we saw detailed about the different ways of expressing the concentration of solutions. In the today's lecture, we will see the concept solubility. Solubility is the property of solute to dissolve into the solvent to form a homogeneous mixture. Solubility can be defined as the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in a specific amount of solvent at specific temperature. Solubility is the result of interaction between particle of a solute and solvent. Therefore, it depends on various factors like structure, then temperature, and finally it's depend on pressure. These three factors we will see one by one. In the first factor, the name of factor is structural effect. We know that the relation between solute and solvent is very important to determine the solubility. When we dissolve any solute in a solvent, that time there are three types of interaction occurs in the solution process. First is a solute solvent, second is the solvent interaction, and third one is the solute solvent interaction. If the solute solvent interaction or attraction is stronger, then the solubility of that solute is greater, while the solute solvent interaction is weak, then the solubility is lesser. On the basis of this interaction, we can say that the polar solute tend to dissolve best in the polar solvent, while non-polar solutes tend to dissolve best in a non-polar solvent. Generally, the solubility follows rules like dissolve like. For example, non-polar solutes like anthracene or naphthalene are soluble in a non-polar solvent like carbon tetrachloride or benzene, and polar molecules like sodium chloride or sugar are soluble in a polar solvent like H2O. In the last case, oil, it is a non-polar, and water, it is a polar, which do not mix with each other. In this way, structure of the solute and solvent affects on the solubility. In the next factor, the name of factor is the effect of temperature on solubility. The solubility of solute is depends on the temperature. The change in temperature affects the solubility of solid, liquid, and gases differently. However, those effects have only finitely determined for the solid and gases. In case of solids, when solid dissolve in a liquids, there is a change in the physical state of the solid. The effect of temperature on the solubility of solids depends on the whether the reaction is a endothermic or exothermic. Generally, the solubility increases with increase in a temperature. When the heat of solution is negative, means the reaction is a endothermic. Then the solubility increases with increase in a temperature. For example, a salt such as ammonium nitrate or sodium nitrate is dissolved in water, then the dissolution reaction is endothermic, means the heat absorbed from the surrounding. In this case, the solubility increases with increase in temperature, but in some cases solubility of solute decreases with increase in temperature when the heat of solution is positive, when dissolving reaction is exothermic, then the solubility decreases with increase in temperature. For example, a salt such as calcium sulfate or sodium carbonate monohydrate is dissolved in water, then the dissolving reaction is exothermic, or we can say heat is evolved. That time the solubility decreases with increase in temperature. This is the all about the effect of temperature on solubility of solid. In case of liquid, there is a not defined trend for the effect of temperature on the solubility of liquids. In case of gases, molecules are in a continuous motion with definite kinetic energy. As the temperature increases, kinetic energy of gas is also increased with increase in temperature. Greater the kinetic energy results in greater the movement of gas molecules. As a result, the gas molecule dissolved in a liquid are more likely to escape to the gas phase. This indicates decrease in a solubility of gas in a liquid with increase in a temperature. For example, we see boiled water also tastes flat because of all the oxygen gas has been removed by the heating. In the last effect of pressure on solubility, there is a negligible effect of pressure on the solubility of solid and liquids. Only the effect of pressure are significant in affecting the solubility of gases in a liquids. In case of gases, solubility increases with increase in a pressure. For the sake of convenience, we take an example. Consider a system consisting of a gas that is partially dissolved in a liquid. As the pressure increased, means that the more gas particle will enter the liquid, that is, the more and more number of gas molecule dissolved in a solution. Hence, indicates increase in a solubility with increase in a pressure. For example, carbonated beverage. Carbonated beverage provide the best example of this phenomena. All the carbonated beverages are bottled under pressure to increase the carbon dioxide dissolved in solution. When the bottle is opened, the pressure above the solution is decreases. As a result, the solution effervesces and some of the carbon dioxide bubble off.